This is my snowboard, and then this is Dada's all supplies in here.
Are you ready?
Yeah! The brianhead. Yes.
Let's go.
Ow.
Nick being late. Sorry.
Oh, it's alright. I taste it, I see it. Yeah, it feels nice. We'll make it, believe me. Oh, it's alright. We won't be defeated. Yeah, we're alright. I got that good feeling.
What is tomorrow?
Snowboard day.
Yeah, that's
Do transition.
Dancing on, fighting all the good times. Throw out all your worries and kiss the sunshine.
Yeah. Let's go. Pop your board. Woo-hoo! Skills.
Oh, it's alright. I taste and I see it. Yeah, we're all tight. We'll make it, believe me. Oh, it's alright. We won't be defeated. Yeah, we're alright. I got that good feeling.
Nick, what's the time? 2 o'clock. Okay, how quiet is it? 2 is that? Shh. Oh, look at you breaking the law. You're breaking in a public place. Oh, I got the cops. Ooh, that was a good. Go, go. Go. Look at this. We walk all the way outside and he didn't open his fucking beer.
Yeah, I can't.
Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our adventures.